What's up, YouTube? We're back once again for another unboxing of Japan crate. Last month we had the Doki Doki crate, which you can see right back here, that little pink box. But this month we got Japan crate premium. I upgraded so that way I can get more candy. The video is going to be a little bit longer, but bear with me. I'm going to try to make it as pleasurable as possible. Just to let you know, I did open the box. I started to make the video and I realized that I wasn't recording, so there is two things that's opened up, but I'm going to go through it again as if it's my first time opening up for you guys. So don't worry, you will get the full experience with me. Okay, so there's the box. Japan crate. It's a lot bigger box. Japan crates is a monthly subscription box where you get candy, foods, and different little various treats and toys from Japan. There's 3 boxes. There's the mini, the regular, and the premium crate. I'll leave a link down below. Well, not the link, a little bar down below here. That way you can see the prices of all the individual boxes, and you can subscribe to it if you want to. Okay. Once you open the box, you got open, share, and enjoy on the top. It says premium, so you know you got the biggest and best. And in case I don't like something, I got my aloe vera drink. I love this. It's great stuff. This month is volume number 9, March 2016. You want to have it opened up, that way I know what everything is. Now on to the first item. It looks like chips to me. This is something that I opened up when I thought I was making a video, so sorry this one's already open. These are Yoki no Yado chips. These salty and sweet chips are a new spin on classic Japanese senbei, which is rice crackers. The name Yoki no Yodo means snow in, as the frosting on the senbei is said to look like snow on the end. Honestly, it smells like ass. It smells funny. It's a giant potato chip is what it is. It has a little white frosting on it. They're good, but it tastes kind of like a Frosty Flake. So if you like Frosty Flakes, that's good. So that's that thing. That's good. I like that. Next, we got our bonus item. It opens up. And it's melted. Go figure. Okay, I gotta pause the video real quick because I'm getting chocolate everywhere. It melted, so be right back, people. Okay, we're back. I cleaned up. But as you can see, it melted all over the place. And it's chocolate. I'm not a fan of chocolate, but I'll go ahead and try it. Each of them has little faces on it. It's probably easier to see on the box. Maybe not. But there's little faces on each of them. So let's see if I can get one and not get covered in chocolate. That tastes like a melt dud. That's not bad for being chocolate. It tastes like a melt dud. So let me put this thing back away. We'll just stick this here. I do not like that. Tastes like a melt dud, but not a big chocolate person. Okay. We got something. Bear with me. Trying to find it. Found it. It's a Choco Kaneko Mochi DIY. I know I'm probably butchering these names. A new age take on a traditional Japanese snack. Add water to your muki, covered in chocolate and kaneko, then enjoy. Looks like pudding. The instructions on the back. It looks like pudding, and it's chocolate once again. So I will not be trying this right now. Now we got something that looks like lifesavers. A whistle candy. Okay, so I guess you could whistle in it. This is called Fu Ramon, a classic Ramon flavored Japanese sweet. Each package contains 8 candies and a surprise toy. Blow through the hole in the middle to create a loud whistling sound. Okay. Let's find out what toy we got. Let's try one. That's kind of weird. It tastes lemony. It tastes like lemons. It's not bad. It's really good. And you can annoy the living crap out of your parents when you're a little kid. Now let's check out the toy. I got a hair clip. Little bunny rabbit hair clip. I don't have no hair, but I could probably stick it right there. Okay. Next. There's a lot of chocolate in this box. I'm looking for this one. I just cannot find this stuff. Okay, I found it. This is called 7-Stick Choco Cream. Just as the name say, you get 7 crunchy wafer sticks filled with yummy chocolate cream. Enjoy them by themselves or with ice cream. Okay, another chocolate thing, so let's try this one. It looks like a waffle cone. Oh, yuck. It tastes like a Hershey Kisses. That's what it tastes like. I'm not a fan of that. And once again, I'm getting chocolate all over me. Bear with me, people. These things. Now, if you've seen my previous episodes of the Japan Crate, you'll know that one of them was the cow tongue. Not sure what these are, but I liked it. Everybody else hated it, but I thought that was the best thing. It was cow tongue. It was great. I liked it. Okay. This one is a pizza umabo. We all know this as a pizza tastes like, and the umabo does a great job of recreating the cheesy experience. So this is pizza. Teriyaki burger. Fast food restaurants in Japan like moth burgers commonly sell teriyaki burgers. Imagine a burger covered with teriyaki sauce and a Japanese mayo packed in one crunchy snap. This one is a corn potato umabo. Corn pottage is a popular soup in Japan. You can find it in a restaurant and even vending machines. The guy tastes exactly like eating a solid version of a creamy soup. I know once I eat these, I'm not going to be able to close these back. See if I get it open. Just like in the previous boxes, just a little stick. It tastes like corn. Just plain corn. I like it. This is the pizza. If you like trying new and weird foods, Japan creates a great thing to get, especially if you love the Asian culture and this Asian food in general. This is a great thing to get. No, that's bad. I don't know what kind of pizza that's supposed to taste like, but it's bad. Not a fan of that one at all. In case you're wondering why I keep looking down, I have my camera set up tethered to my laptop. That way, instead of looking at a tiny screen in the distance, I can look at my laptop and see what my camera is seeing on it. And you might see the reflection in my glasses too. So that if that annoys you, please let me know, and I'll stop wearing my contacts when I do this. But it's a lot easier to see on my laptop than it is looking at the little tiny LCD on the camera. It's a teriyaki one. Not bad at all. It does taste like teriyaki. That was not bad. Okay, let's wash it down real quick. Couple more items to go. This looks like chocolate too. This isn't my box, this one. Got a big stick of something. This is the Furuto Dodika bar. I know I can't pronounce this, bear with me. A little bit of a crunch with your chocolate, you love the Doka bars. This snack is a 25 centimeter, almost 10 inches corn puff bar covered in milk chocolate. The more I think about it, I feel bad opening and stuff because I won't finish eating it. So I will not do this one because I could give this to my friend who likes chocolate and she'll enjoy it a lot better than I would. So I would not be tasting this one. I'm sorry, I just don't like chocolate. The rest are small enough that I could eat or bear, or I wouldn't mind tossing out. That's too big to take a tiny bite out of and waste the whole thing. Now you got these things. It looks like a little pineapple. Pine Amy gummies. Already over spring and wish it was summer? Let these pineapple flavored gummy rings transport you to a tropical paradise. I love pineapple, so I hope this is good. Oh, it's in like a little protective casing. Get out of here, man. Come on. It feels weird. It's sticky. They're good. Tastes like a regular gummy. Nothing too powerful. Mild pineapple taste, but it's good. Monster stamps. An interactive candy that lets you use a stamp fun monster shapes. Moisten the bottom of your stamp to start using it when you can eat the whole thing when you're done. Then you can eat the whole thing when you're done. Okay, I'm sorry. So, it's candy, but it makes stamps. That's cool. It's like a little stamp. See? You have a little holster here, and there's a design on the bottom of it, and you're to stamp that. I got a little. You can't. I doubt you can see it, but there's some powder right here. It made a little stamp. That's pretty cool. Oh, that's hard. Ow! Bit my lip. Oh, I'm hard candy. It tastes like grape soda. Very strong grape soda. 4 more items to go. So if you're still watching the video, thank you so much. I know these are long. Just bear with me. You're my true fans. Keep it going. Okay. These 2 packages look the same. I'm guessing this is strawberry and sour apple. Yeah, it is. Okay. These are Yokin roll candy. This is strawberry. This is green apple. We couldn't decide which flavor was better, so we wanted to share them both. This long strawberry tape is like a Japanese fruit by the foot. And the green apple says it's slightly more tart. Green apple twist on Yokin roll candy. Unroll it and enjoy a long, chewy fruit experience. So basically, these are fruit by the foot. I love those things, man. Ooh, that smells good. Yeah, it's a fruit by the foot. That's what that is, basically. Give me a second. Let me see if I can get it off. Oh, the paper came with it. Hang on, having technical difficulties. Tastes just like a strawberry shoot by the foot. Then we got the green apple. Hopefully this one will come out easier and I won't get paper stuck on it. That smells like a weird green apple. And it's this weird puke green color. God, this stuff is sticky. Tastes like a very weak green apple. Not the best. But I guess if you want something in your mouth, it's better than nothing. I'm pretty sure you could think of better things to put in your mouth. Okay, last two items. It says lemon flavored gummy candy. I'm not seeing this one listed. This must be the second bonus item. Okay. Let's see what it is. There ain't no description. It smells like baby powder. They come in these little individually wrapped pockets. I don't remember what they're called, but here in America we have these gums. So these little square gums about that big, and they're pink, and they have little wrappers, and they're twisted on both ends. I forgot what they're called, but that's what this tastes like, those little gums. It's an okay, nothing great, but. And we got a drink. This one, you have two. You could have got two. Another variant of this drink. So some people will have this drink. Some people will have another drink. This one is a sangria ume soda. Japanese plum blossoms are a sign that spring has arrived. Take a sip of this refreshing sweet soda and say goodbye to the winter. Okay, let's go. Just try it. That tastes like flat grape soda. That's horrible, man. Ugh. Okay. All in all, that's Japan Grape Premium for the month of September. I mean, not September. Whoa, I'm way out of it. For the month of March 2016. My favorite item would have to be. I said a little whistle thing. That was cool. I like that. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Excuse me. If you did, hit that like button. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching my videos. Peace.